Welcome to Planters TV. I'm in my garden this morning showing you my lovely collard greens, my lovely cabbage, my lovely sprout, my lovely eggplant. As small as this tree is, it have three big ones right there. As you can see, the worms is trying to destroy my plant. Yeah, worms. So what I did, I come this morning and I start searching the plants then. All that you see, the leaf is really bite up like this, is worm doing this. So all I did, I searched all the tree and I find a lot of worms in them. So when you see these kinds of things, it's good to search the plant and try to get rid of the worms because they will eat down all your plants, especially these kind of plants. They love these, soft and juicy, and you wouldn't get nothing. So I guarantee you, if you keep coming daily and search your plant, once you see in these kind of product here, you will be okay. I stay away a few weeks, and this is what happened. So now, I'm around, I'm gonna pass every day and make sure I search my plant then because I expect to harvest. I ain't expect to plant all these and don't harvest anything. So today's the day. The rain had come yesterday. So what I'm doing here now, I'm just softening the root with my fork, as you can see. Yeah. So instead I got to bend, I just stand up and soften the root. Soften the root. This is a sweet pepper right here. I was cutting the grass because I stay away so long, and I cut off the head of this one. So you got to be very careful. So all I'm doing right now is softening the root. You got to make sure you know what you're doing or you could damage the root. So what I do, I come at least 12 inches away and shake 12 inches away from the plant and soften the root. This is what I do. At least 12 inches for now. Because when the rain comes, it's good to go the following day or the following 2 days after and soften the root. When you do that and the sun comes out, the plant will be growing like crazy. And if it already start bearing fruits, vegetables, you will be very happy. This is a mint. I've been drinking mint tea and it just keep growing. This is a very strong mint. Everything is all organic, nothing, no fertilizer, nothing. All I do, dig the earth and just plant them. I adds nothing. So soon I'll be harvesting everything. This is Chinese cabbage right here. This is Chinese cabbage. This is quail. I now plant these. So just softening the root. When you do this, I guarantee your plant love you. But don't go too close to the plant. You know, you ain't got to use this. I use this because I always use it. So now I understand the distance you stay from around the plant. And the bigger the plant get, the farther you get from the plant. So all I do, I take the fork, instead I got to bend all the way down there. All I do, I take the fork and I soften the root. I soften the dot around the root. So when you do that now, you will get good result. Yeah, some plants I have there. I have like 3 cucumbers, sweet pepper. I have a good bit of pepper. So this is how they're looking at this moment. So I'm gonna keep posting I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep posting videos that you guys could see my garden. Look, I have some tomato here. You see how lovely they're bearing right now. Yeah, they all bearing. I have a few corns. Tomato, pepper. I have a few tomatoes around here. I have few cabbage. Because down this side, if you could see, that's where I plant some cabbage. I set some seeds and now I plant them. And now all I got to do now is take care of them. These are some spinach. Now plant them. So I'm gonna keep posting videos with updates and you could see what I'm doing and you could plant your own and eat organic. This is where I set some seed here. So in a few days they're gonna start bust above the ground. Yeah, so welcome to Planters TV. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.